bustin' out the city, she bustin' out the town, she bustin' out the air, she bustin' on down. Let's go! Ooh, she drive me crazy, the way she make it pop. Girl, do it again, don't you ever stop. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
They don't know what's happening here, you know. They actually don't know what's happening. A samba boy. Do you see this dancer? You got to go ready for this guy. Listen. I wanna marry. Listen.
Patini man. Nango mapuno man.
Listen.
Let's go!
Satisfaction I every girl dream. We don't fi put it on when every relax scream. They get a call from sexy Maxi. She leave my bitches from the inside my sheets.
I wanna do the wickedest song. I need a 1, 2, 3, how I'm I wanna do it whole time until the fall. I can't let it know what it feels like.
She miserable, says she's stressed. So we give her some sex. I just loving. Them are impressed. Them here say that we have the best. That's why y'all stay out my home and have no work. Cause she want the vitamin S. Y'all want smoke a cigar and a run down a car. Cause she want the vitamin S. Y'all a hot button or skirt and a pop a shirt. Cause she want the vitamin S. Y'all not hurt no less causing good distress. Them want them vitamin S. Y'all in a heat. Y'all want man and live on the street. Frustrated so she a kiss her teeth. Don't worry yourself, you need to will not be a good, just call me and I will leave.
Let's get it.
I don't know if you make you feel so sweet. Pain that you hear and massage your feet. 1 to 3 times a week, and that will make you feel complete. Believe me, everybody knows it would be headache. It's nice when you get a 1 dose when you wake. Some man no good, so them gyal a feel fake. Come on, don't give me a break. That's why y'all a stick out my home and a plug up my phone. Cause she want the vitamin S. Y'all want smoke a cigar and a run down my car. Cause she want the vitamin.
Guys, do you see this dancer? You got to go ready for this guy. I wanna party.
Hello. We are approaching Bokisano.
Yeah.
We are approaching Bokisano. Professor Ma Obia, who saw you approaching Boki.
We are approaching Mimi approaching Boki, and you're gonna do any do. We are approaching Boki. Approaching Kebab.
Difference near
Asante Kebab.
Difference near saying.
Difference in any say. We are there, about 1 minute. Mammy, something in one. It's on the TV. There's no cry, baby. Yeah. Okay, one I ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, but when it's talking about and so when you're going to I didn't forget because that's why it's low. What's it? So on the car, you can put it out after man. You want to know answer. They can't know. You are fast and there. They can't know. Also, never.
girls, they don't know what's happening here, you know. They actually don't know what's happening. It's on the way.
Watch your chain swing, watch it glistening. Girl, I want a piece of the jingling. My phone ring, it a ring a ring. See me pull it cheap on the road like a yeah, we get the back and jingling. Clap, clap, clap. See me listening. See me with some missionaries. See you want me, get the impositioning. Expert, make your neck work. Body come good, come sweet like a dessert. Mad thing, she want this girl. Me say leg work. Your body. Your body, your body, let work your body. Your body, your body, your body, let work your body. Your body, let work your body. Move up your body. Let work. I take up somebody, wind up your body. Let work. I know you're that exercise. Come put them reps in, baby. Tell them. Hey, she got the vibe with a man there. Can you really handle me? She would up to man them. She had a man them, finger for go down there, sing a leg. Hey, come closer, work it for me. Sing how we need, da la 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 la. Your body, your body, your body. Let work your body. Your body, your body, your body. Let work your body. Your body, let work your body. One up your body. Hey, your body, lift up somebody, one up your body. Leg work. I know you. Are we in the building? Let's go. We're outside. It's raining, we don't care. We're about to shut this down. Hey, nobody gonna tell me how I'm gonna live my life. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I've been gone for a minute, but now that I do things right, I give thanks every day. I pray, Lord, bless my life. You got to find that strength in the crazy how life goes. When you feel like nothing's going right, just don't let go. Got to know that there is a greater vision. You don't know, say you can never change my mind. It doesn't matter where you come from. Take off your mask, swallow your pride. Take a little time, follow your plan. Follow your plan, follow your plan. Don't you find when they get your money? Come back at your way, Bona. You said that you go, Shana. Makawanda, wando Sharavachi. Just need a pattern and Sara. Yeah, yeah. Nobody gonna tell me how you gonna live your life. I've been gone for a minute, but now I gotta do things right. I give thanks every day, I pray, Lord, bless my life. Lord, please bless my life. Lord, please bless my life. Let's keep it moving. Right. Listen, we're gonna take it back. Bailey Brown, I wanna see you wind up. I know it's raining, I know it's getting a bit like funny weather. whatever, but we're gonna shut this down. I wanna see you shake up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I want you to sing along, yeah? It's simple. It goes like this. Are we ready? Hey, hey. Boy, boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boy, boy. One. Boy, boy. Boy. Let's go. Send it out to the ring. You're misbehaving. You're dealing with me. Just pass us back, you know we big famous, y'all. Jump back on the rhythm. Look on the style, you will see that it's written. You better play your position. See me about to take it right back. Could it be you? Could it be me? Could it be? How about us? In a distance. You want to give me that thing? What's the wine and girl I want to see? No matter you know what I bring. But together know we can win, y'all. Hey, boy. Bring me love and you bring me joy. Boy, so much love to my boy, it's a vibe now I'm feeling you. Boy, yo. Bring me love and you bring me joy. Flexi. Yeah, tell the family. It's a vibe now I'm feeling you. Boy, yo. What's up the thing and dance? Get around me one dance. Know my thing and how I do, you know that party gon' last. It's the way that we roll. Take it out of control. Don't be thinking all these type of things. Could it be you? Could it be me? Could it be? How about us? In a distance. Come on. That thing. What's a wine and girl I want to see? Come and style, you know what I bring. Are we ready? Let's go. Boy. Bring me love and you bring me joy. Boy. So much love that I can't ignore. It's a vibe now I'm feeling. Boy. Bring me. Hey. So much love that I can't ignore. Boy. It's a vibe now I'm feeling. Right now, who knows this one? All around the world, so many different girls in the club. Hey, they're always blowing my mind. Yo, Bailey Brown out, Afro-Pop, hold tight. Well done, everyone. Big thing. Thank you, sir. She wanna jump on anything like a feeling the S on my chest, and she feeling the S on my chest. Here we go. Feeling the S on my chest, and she S on my chest. Yo. I told that thing by like Felicia. Back to find me a real mamacita. Come and start, said it's muy bonita. The remedy that I like. Said she wanna take a trip to Ibiza. Tell your bridget, come tell her she can beat you. Take your time on me, girl, like a teacher. The remedy that I like. The job is stick up, I see, yeah. Know what I mean, yeah. We catching vibes all night. I bend you over, leg to my shoulder, pop up this thing all night. Come on. Tell me how you want it, baby. I will drive you crazy. You just how you like it, I do. Let's go, Milton Keynes. Pogo, down like a pogo. She wanna jump on anything like a pogo. Down like a pogo. She wanna jump on anything like a. Feeling the S on my chest, and she feeling the S on my chest. Feeling the S on my chest, and she feeling the S on my chest. Aye, right, this is the last one. So have a good time. Yeah. I like you when you climb on me. Push back that thing back, girl, when you whine on me. I like you when you climb on me. Push back that thing back, girl, when you whine on me. Here it goes like this. Yeah. Baby, everything nice. Yeah. Baby, everything nice. to do. So just come by the thing, put my things on you. Yeah, come on. And I know what you want to do. So just put a vibes on you. I say, candy girl, said you are my world. With a vibe so sweet. So me want to be pushing your body and make it feel nice. We be a fair and that's how we like. Come on. And I know what you want me to do. Come by the thing, my things on you. Nice. I like your style back, yeah, when you climb on me. Give me everything nice. Push back that thing back, yeah, when you wipe on me. Everything nice. I like your style back, yeah, when you climb on me. Give me everything nice. Push back that thing back, yeah, when you wipe on me. Yes. Let's go.
Says you wanna show me the way, baby don't play the game. I want to please me. Tick tock, tick. What we say? One time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me to the destination. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. What we say? What we say? What we say? Take the lead. We can go anywhere that you please. You tell us to please. Take the lead. And when she's coming out, they coming from me. put the cheese right. 360 give the cheese right. Could you win up to the place and a sana? Like this and a sana. You don't wanna walk like yeah, go where I wanna like. That's where they don't mind. Yeah, I know he's a runner. One time, Afro. Hear me that talking. Hear me that him. Oh, hear me that talking. Hear me that him. Hear me that talking. Hear me that him. Hear me that talking. Hear me that him. Got back here.
Let's get it!
But no work,
She miserable, says she's stressed. So me give her some sex. I just loving, them are impressed. Them here say that we have the best. That's why y'all stay out my home and have no work for home. Cause she want the vitamin S. Y'all want smoke a cigar and a run down my car. Cause she want the vitamin S. Y'all a hot button or skirt and a pop up a shirt. Cause she want the vitamin S. Y'all not turtleless cause it good to stress. Them want them vitamin S. Y'all in a heat. Y'all warm and a live on the street. Frustrated so she a kiss her teeth. Don't worry yourself indeed. It will not be a good, just call me and I will feed. Let's get it. Don't love you make you feel so sweet. Praying that you hear and massage your feet. 1 to 3 times a week and that will make you feel complete. Believe me, everybody knows it good for headache. It's nice when you get a one dose when you wake. Some man no good so them gyal a feel fake. Come on, don't give me a break. That's why y'all stick out my home and I blow up my phone. Cause she want the vitamin S. Y'all want smoke a cigar and a run down my car. Cause she want the vitamin.
Times and you making you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? When it's for today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you fulfill my fantasy, because you know I give you love and share like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? So why can't you see? We ought to be together, girl, don't front on me. I just wanna be next, so don't have no fear. And let me see you bring your body right over here, because you should share it, girl, I care it. And I'm gonna give you love so clear, it's gonna make you shine. And once you are mine, we be rocking it until the end of time. Looking at me, I got you say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body enticing me, making you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? When it's for today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you fulfill my fantasy, because you know I give you love and shade like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? So fuck it up there, so fuck it up there. Cause I wanna be the one that's really gonna up it up and hook it up and zap it up there. So what is up there? You know you got me sitting in my pants and then you look and smell up and double up there. So give me the work there, cause you're gonna give me something blue pants and the rock there. So rip it up there, y'all want try it up there. Cause when you see me something up there.
They don't know what's happening here, you know. They actually don't know what's happening. It's all the way.
I told you guys needed it. You guys don't believe me. You guys needed it. So the next artist, you guys don't need it. You guys need to listen. When I say, can you feel it? You say, yeah. I'm gonna try one more time, okay, guys? I say, can you feel it? You say, yeah. That's simple. You guys have got it. Next one. I city, city, city. I'm gonna take you to city. They go, alala, elele, olilolilololo. That's your part, you guys. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, you guys are going. I'm telling you, okay? So the next artist is coming up. And we're gonna dance and show you guys what's pumping, okay? Are you guys ready? Let's literally pump it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Are you guys ready? I know you guys probably in the back. You guys are gonna show us something, okay? You're gonna show us some dance moves.
Come on.
Are you gonna show us some dance moves?
As long as it's a dance competition.
Dance competition, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm gonna stay on
I'm
stage.
ready.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I'm ready. Don't play with me, you know.
Let's go.
Don't play with me.
I'm ready. Let's
Don't
go.
play with me.
Let's go.
Don't play with me.
Let's go.
Okay, all I can do
You
is...
gonna pop something, yeah?
That's it.
I'm telling you, girls for the win here, by the way.
Throw a song on DJ, because this girl is talking too much, yeah?
Bro, men are not gonna win here, by the
Throw
way.
a DJ,
Let
throw
him
a song
for the
on,
win.
you know?
Let him in for the win, okay? You really need space. Let's go.
Give me a Zimbabwean song as well. I'm from Zimbabwe, man.
Give us Zimbabwe.
Is anyone from Zimbabwe in this place?
Yeah.
Anyone from Zimbabwe in this place?
Yeah.
Nigeria, where you at?
Yeah.
Ghana, where you at?
Yeah.
Angola, Jamaica, Trinidad. What I said? I'm African and Jamaican at the same time.
At the same time?
No.
You can't do that, you know. You just can't do that, you know.
Hey, it's about making the customers feel comfortable, man.
I hear that.
You know? DJ, where's the song at, please? I need to beat this girl in a dance competition, you know?
Guys, I'm telling you, you guys are not gonna win. You guys are not gonna win. Don't do that. Do we even need music?
What type of question
Both
is
Zimbabwe,
that?
do we both need music? You
Yes,
tell me.
we do.
We don't need music.
Yes, we do.
We don't need music.
Answer. Darachahuya, Darachosh Manaruma, Chinyere Manaruma, Chinyere Manaruma, Where we go next? DJ, waiting for you.
Show.
DJ, waiting for you.
I'm telling you something. Let's go. So what are you gonna be performing? Tell them who you are.
My name is Tanaka Siziba. I make music, but right now it looks like I am an interim host.
Literally, you and me both. These guys don't even know.
Yeah, so my job right now is to make sure that people are engaged before the music starts coming on. So is everyone having a good time? I hope everyone's having a good time. What are you saying, baby? Let's go. Yeah. Afro-Caribbean 2025. Run the team. Flex. Listen, Milton Keynes. Fade around till I can see you in the building. We're ready to shut this down. Come on, let's go. Hey, run that. Come on. Everywhere we go is up. Everywhere we go is a shutdown. Everywhere we go is a shutdown. Let's go. Is everyone ready to dance? Ready. Run the thing. Let's go. We're ready. Here we go. It's raining, but we're gonna do this. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go! Move your body, jump, jump! Move your body, jump, jump! Jump, jump! Jump, jump! If you wanna move your body, jump, jump! Walla, 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 walla! Check out. Who's the right eye? Hey, pull up the team. Listen, Milton Keynes, we're about to shut this down. Afro Park, everybody. It's raining, but we're gonna have a good time. 1 second. Let's go! Don't be shy. Run the team. Don't be shy. One more time for them. DJ Flex, we're in the building. Host tight Dixie. Host tight the family. Let's go. It's a shutdown. Yeah. We got this thing on lockdown. Let's go. Milton Keynes. It's a shutdown. Hey.
Are we ready? Soca lovers, Trini people. Let's go. Ready? Let's go. Hold this. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, jump. If you wanna move your body, jump. If you wanna work your body, jump. Move your body, jump. Work your body, jump. If you wanna move your body, walla. Break up. Tell me what's your right. Jump. Everybody, come move your body. The way that you be moving, girl, is naughty. You keep it sexy, no disrespecting. Be like the way that you make it red. Run for them, but when we do condemn, man, with deal for them, no problem. Try there, they never try there. One of us become the wicked. If you wanna move your body, move your body. If you wanna work your body, work your body. Move your body, work your body. If you wanna move your body, jump. Break up. Move to the left, move to the right. Listen, Milton Keynes with the building. Let's say ole. Let's go. We're ready. Boy, my name's Billy Brown. Selected to Ziva. We're about to shut this thing down. Afro-Caribbean, Milton Keynes. Let's do the thing. Let's go.
One girl, one die for me. She has to die for me, yeah. Bounce your body all we bounce you out. Let it go down, not to south. Trey and official. Bounce your body all we bounce you out. I'm on no screen, no push out. No louder. Now we sky life I never see. I carry God so I fear nothing. Steady increase.
Biggie man, we know they went.